Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can video chat in Bigo Live. So it is not possible to do from the website version or the PC standalone version from your PC, but it's easy from your phone. So just open your phone and try to go live. Just go live. Click on the video icon that's blue and just tap on it and click on go live. Once you're live, you're just gonna look at the top right corner and then just tap on it. Then what you need to do is just search for a person or look for a person that you're trying to video chat or video call, right? When you find the guy or a girl, just tap on her, tap on him or tap on her, then click on guest live. That's at the bottom of the uh, window, right? And there you go. That's how you video chat in Bigo Live. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.